Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discussing about outlier analysis also. So what is outlier? Data objects that are grossly different from or inconsistent with the remaining set of data. Those are called the outlier. What are the causes for outlier? Measurement or execution errors, inherent data variability. Outliers may be valuable patterns. It helps to detect, and means fraud detection, customized marketing, medical analysis. Outlier mining, given n data points and k expected number of outliers, find the top k dissimilar objects. Define inconsistent data resides in regression. Difficulties in multidimensional data and non-numeric data. Mine the outliers. Visualization based methods is not applicable to cyclic plots, high dimensional data and categorical data. We have different types of approaches, techniques for outlier analysis. First one is a statistical approach, second one is distance based approach, third one is density based outlier approach, fourth one is deviation based approach. First one is statistical distribution based outlier detection. Assumes data follows a probability distribution and uses discordancy test. Discordancy testing. Working hypothesis H O belongs to F I where I equal to 1, 2 and so on. Yeah. Test verify whether object is OI is significantly different from F. Significancy probability SP of V equal to probability of T greater than V suffix I. If SP is small, OI is discordant and working hypothesis is rejected. And alternate hypothesis that O suffix I comes from another distribution model G is adapted. Based on outlier discussion, outlier detection, alternative distributions, inherent alternative distribution, mixture alternative distribution, slippage alternative distribution. First of all, we are going to discussing about inherent alternative distribution. Alternative hypothesis, all objects arise from another distribution G. Those are called inherent alternative distribution. Discordant values are not outliers but contaminants from G of H dash. O belongs to 1 minus lambda of F plus lambda G where I equal to 1, 2 and so on n. That is called mixture alternative distribution. Slippage alternative distribution. Some objects are independent observations from a modified version of F, different parameters. Procedures for detecting outliers, block procedures, consecutive procedures. Disadvantages of statistical approach. Tests are single attributes. Data distribution may not be known. These are the disadvantages. To overcome those disadvantages, distance-based outlier detection is introduced. Distance-based outlier, a distance between P, D outlier is an object O in dataset T such that at least a fraction P of the objects in T lies at a distance greater than D from O. means the distance between centroid to means uh, far object, far point. Okay, object does not have enough neighbors, avoids excessive competition of statistical models. If an object is an outlier according to discordancy test, then O is dB of P comma D outlier from for some P and D. Here we have two types of algorithm. One is indexed based algorithm. Second one is nested loop algorithm. Indexed based algorithm uses multidimensional indexing structures such as KD trees and R trees. M maximum number of objects within D min neighborhood. That means distance min neighborhood. Once m plus 1 neighbors are found, O is not an outlier. O of n square k apart from index construction. Second algorithm called as nested loop algorithm avoids index construction, tries to minimize IOs, input outputs, divides memory buffer space into two halves and dataset into several logical blocks. Cell-based algorithm, complexity of C power k plus n, where C depends on number of cells, k is dimensionality. Data space is partitioned into cells d min divided by 2 root over k. Two layers surround each cell. First layer 1 cell thick, second layer 2 root over k minus 1 cells thick. In this algorithm, cell-based algorithm, we have two types of layers. The first layer 1 cell thick, the second layer 2 root over k minus 1 cells thick. Algorithm
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ చెప్పాలని చెప్పా
algorithm process cells instead of objects, maintains three counts: cell count, cell plus 1 layer count, cell plus 2 layers count. These are the three counts in this particular algorithm. An object in a cell is an outlier if cell plus 1 layer count less than or equal to m. If not, no objects in the cell are outlier. If cell plus 2 layer count less than or equal to m, then all points in cell outliers. If greater than m, some may be outliers. Object by object processing has to be done. Previous method assumed data are uniformly distributed. Data may have different density distributions, a difficulty in choosing d-min. So these two, see, all of you observe, this is the example diagram. These all are uniform distribution. These points are means this O2, this one and this one are outlier points to these two regions. Another approach, density based outlier detection. A local outlier, if it's outlying relative to its local neighborhood particularity with respect to the density of the neighborhoods. OT is local outlier with respect to C2. O1 is also an outlier. None of the objects in C1 are treated as outliers. Considers degree to which an object is an outlier. Local outlier factor. Degree depends on how isolated the object is with respect to its surroundings. The k distance of an object P is the maximal distance that P gets from k nearest neighbors D of P comma O. There are at least k objects in D that are as close as are closer to P than O. For K, O dash D of P comma O dash less than or equal to D of P comma O. There are at most K minus 1 objects that are closer to P than O. For K minus 1, O double dash D of P comma O double dash less than D of P comma O. K distance neighborhood contains every object whose distance is not greater than the min points of K, means the distance of P. Next one is the reachability distance of an object P with respect to object O is defined as reachability distance and means min points P of O comma equal to max of min points distance O comma D of P comma O. Best example for this reachability distance is optics is the best example. This is already covered in density based algorithms. The time complexity for optics is O big O of n log n. This is the best example for this reachability distance. Local reachability density of P is the inverse of the average reachability density based on the min points nearest neighbors of P. Local outlier factor LOF of P captures the degree to which we call P an outlier. It is the average of the ratio of the local reachability density of P and those of P's min points nearest neighbors. A local outlier factor is higher for outliers. Deviation based outlier detection identifies outliers by examining the main characteristics of objects in a group. Objects that deviate from this description are considered outliers. Sequential exception technique simulates the way in which humans can distinguish unusual objects from among a series of supposedly like objects. Sequential execution technique. Given a dataset D, a sequence of subsets D1, D2, Dm is built such that Dj-1 subset are equal to Dj. Dissimilarities are assessed between subsets in the sequence. So on those particular subsets we are applying means exception set, dissimilarity function, smoothing factor. These three steps are repeated to avoid the influence of order. Means what is exception set? Means smallest subset of objects whose removal results in greatest reduction of dissimilarity. Dissimilarity function, this is based on this dissimilarity function applied. Smoothing factor. Assess how much the dissimilarity can be reduced by removing the subset from the original set of objects. Deviation based outlier detection. So OLAP data cube technique uses data cubes to identify regions of anomalies. A cell value in a cube is an exception if it differs significantly from an expected value. Okay. Oh, this is very important concept, outlier analysis. In examination they may ask several times. In university point of view, how they ask a question on this particular concept, explain a brief description about outlier analysis. This is the question comes from this particular topic. Thank you.